Let us check the dimensional formula, or let us check the dimension of this equation is correct or not. To check the dimension of this equation, we need to go through the homogeneity of dimension in an equation. According to the principle of homogeneity of dimension in an equation, the dimension of this term should be equal to dimension of this term should be equal to dimension of this term. If we write in an equation, dimension of x should be equals to dimension of ut should be equals to dimension of at square. So if we solve this, we know that here it is given x equals to distance. X is distance here. Also we know that distance as a unit is length, so the base unit of distance is L. So we know that the dimension of x is L. Now we here we have know that dimension of x should be equal to dimension of ut, so dimension of ut also should be L. So let us solve this. Okay, so dimension of ut, what is here? U means velocity. Ut equals to velocity means distance by time. Distance by time, and t means time. So here time it cuts, so the distance is left, so therefore dimension of ut also become length. I hope you got this. Now we need to check the dimension of this at square. So let us find out. Now dimension of at square equals to, here a for acceleration. Acceleration means meter per second square, so it goes for distance L meter per second square. So meter is length, so we take length, per second is time, that is t square. This is for a. Now multiply t means time square, so here L up by t square into t square it cuts, therefore the dimension of at square is also L. Here we need to note that the dimension of 1/2 at square is same as that of at square, because 1/2 is constant, which is a dimensionless. Okay, I hope you got this. Therefore that this equation is checked dimensionally, that it is correct. Now you need to note one thing, that a dimensionally correct equation need not be actually correct, but a dimensionally wrong equation must be correct. मतलब अगर कोई डायमेंशन, अगर किसी इक्वेशन का डायमेंशन अगर करेक्ट है तो ज़रूरी नहीं है कि वो इक्वेशन भी करेक्ट हो, लेकिन अगर किसी इक्वेशन का डायमेंशन ही गलत है तो वो इक्वेशन तो 100% ही गलत होगा। तो होप आप लोग को ये समझ में आ गया होगा। थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग दिस।